बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हमेशा दिखता है। ख़वातीन व हज़रात, मैं हूं आपका प्रेजेंटर सैयद ज़फ़र अब्बास और आप देख रहे हैं वहाँ की स्वीडन के एक पॉपुलर न्यूज़ एंकर और एक्ट्रेस हैं। उनकी माँ भी उनके साथ थी और उनकी मुलाकात वहाँ अज़ज़त हुसैन से हुई। एक बड़े ये एक आज़ादाना माहौल में, आज़ादाना माहौल का मतलब क्या था कि आउटडोर थे। उन्होंने वहाँ पर खुशगवार मूड में, एंटरटेनमेंट भी थी वहाँ पर, और उन्होंने अज़ज़त भाई की मतलब अमल फाउंडेशन और उसके हवाले से भी कुछ बातें हुई, जिस पर उन्होंने अज़ज़त भाई की बहुत तारीफ़ की, क्योंकि अच्छा काम आपके लिए बाइसे तारीफ़ होता है और बुरा काम आपके लिए बाइसे तकलीफ़। अज़ज़त भाई चूँकि एक ऐसा अमल कर रहे हैं अमल फाउंडेशन के ज़रिए से कि अल्लाह ताला उनको जहाँ भी जाते हैं इज़्ज़त से नवाजते हैं, क्योंकि जो लोगों की खिदमत करता है अल्लाह उनकी मेहनत को कभी रायगां जाने नहीं देता। तो चल के वीडियो देखते हैं और उनके साथ उनकी एक बड़ी कैजुअल मुलाकात, कैजुअल मीटिंग, उनमें क्या बातें हुई ये भी जाके सुनते हैं। चलते हैं स्वीडन में और अज़ज़त भाई से उनकी बातें।
Hej och välkomna till Sverige!
I would say thank you so much for your time. I know you are so busy on TV and radio and everywhere. So you're so busy guy. So thank you so much. I'm lucky enough you are with me and you just give me time. So I would ask some questions. How about the Sweden government? How about the life in Sweden? And what do you think? Is life easy here or not easy? And people are happy here or not happy here in Sweden?
Oh, that's a good question.
Yeah.
I would say that Sweden is just like every other country. You always have the good and the bad.
Yeah.
You have the happy ones, and now it's summer in Sweden,
Yeah.
so everyone is more happy.
More
Yes.
happy.
Then we have the dark months, like with the autumn and winter. Then
Yeah.
more people they don't show the happiness that much.
Oh yeah.
But so this time you came the right time to Sweden, because now everyone is happy. We have the sun. We have this really beautiful view you can see in the background.
yeah.
And I will say, if it's easy, it depends. With the government, we have some really good things to help,
Yeah.
but we also have the struggle like every other country.
Yeah, I think it's the same like in Canada, same like other countries, because also other countries follow these countries, Sweden, England, because first it was England, then Sweden, then other country. So did you visit any other country and you just observe how if Sweden is best or other countries are best? People like to live in Sweden or they just like to move somewhere else, not other countries?
Yeah,
Yes.
absolutely.
Most people want to live in Sweden, especially when you're pregnant or you have your baby, because we have really good insurance.
Yeah.
You can be at home for how many months?
Well, you get paid if depends on the days, but you can be home for 1 to 2 years with
Oh,
your kid.
that's wonderful. In
Yes.
Canada, I think after that it will be 18 months. You can stay at home and the government will pay you 18 months. That's a good idea because all countries are learning from your countries. So it was before, it was not like this. Now, because I met so many people in Sweden, and people look nice because you are saying true. It's a nice weather, sun shining,
Sunshine.
and everybody is happy.
Yeah.
Mood is good because it's depending on the weather.
Oh,
in
yes.
England, most of the time it's rain. People are like little like this, but in Sweden, I feel it's very good. And because your weather and Canadian weather is almost same, but believe me, your country is beautiful. Sweden is
Thank
so
you.
beautiful, and I know it's a country of most islands in Sweden all over the world. And you can say, even day before I was watching, people are living on island and transport is like a boat and moving around and like this. And I asked one question: if there any emergency on the island, what they do? And they say there's emergency boats and pick up drop is not a big deal. So and I would say, come to Canada and visit Canada, then there will be another big interview. I know you are so busy, you guys are busy, and I would say thank you so much for your time, and I have great respect for you people. So I hope I will see you again, and you will come to Canada to see us.
We will come, I promise.
Yeah,
Thank you for meeting you.
It's a gentleman promise you will come to Canada.
And I have to say something more.
Yeah.
For this year,
Yeah.
in July, it was also possible for a grandfather to stay at home when they are sick, when the parents are unable. the first time.
Yeah.
That's really good because I'm a grandmother.
If anybody asks me how old are you, I said 35.
Sorry.
You said 12 years.
31 actually, but that's okay.
Because believe me, everything in mind, whatever you think. Because when I work there, believe I'm saying from my heart, it's not a matter of age, I work hard like a young. It's not like this because it starts in the morning and finish at night or evening. What's the difference? So if I run, I just go for a walk at least 10 kilometers, 8 kilometers. It's not like just I'm saying to show something. No, everything.
Yes.
Like this. Yeah, the best of the best is take good rest and out from the worries. That's the best rest.
And take good care of yourself. as
Yeah.
well.
95% people are in hospital because of stress. Only 5% people are in hospital because of their sickness or something. Why we should be worried? God give us life. We are under the roof and we can enjoy. We can talk by. Why should we upset? So I think thank you so much for your and also time for the Junaid.
Yes.
For interview, and you are a big anchor,
And
TV and radio
my
and everything.
famous
Yes.
movie star, my daughter.
No, she looks the movie star. Why not?
Yes, but she's in the music video.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and
Thank
you're most
you.
welcome to Sweden and Stockholm.
Yeah, Stockholm.
जी ख़वातीन हज़रात, ये थी सिल्विया वॉटसन और उनकी मदर। अशरफ भाई के साथ बड़े खुशखबर मूड में गुफ्तगू जारी थी और उन्होंने अशरफ भाई के साथ मतलब उनके सराहते हुए उनके कामों को उनकी तारीफ़ की। और ये बहुत अच्छी बात होती है कि इंसान जब किसी दूसरे स्टार से मिलता है और उसको पता चले कि ये बंदा मतलब इंसानियत के साथ बड़ा गहरा ताल्लुक़ है, हमदर्दी है इसके अंदर, ये इंसान दोस्त है और मतलब इसको फिलैंथ्रोप कहते हैं, जब फिलैंथ्रोपी से भरपूर हैं, तो लिहाजा उनकी बहुत तारीफ़ की गई। असद हुसैन भी बहुत ममनून हुए कि उनके साथ अचानक से एक मुलाकात हुई और फिर उन्होंने उनकी बहुत उस काम को सराहा। खबर नज़रात, अच्छा, अल्लाह।